Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and implement Stripe Checkout with React step by step clearly. Begin by creating a new React project if you haven't done so already. You can use Create React App by running the command in your terminal, npx create React App my Stripe Checkout. Once your project is created, navigate into your project directory, cd my Stripe Checkout. Next, install the Stripe library by running npm install at stripe/stripe.js. Now, create a new component for your checkout flow. In the src folder, create a file named stripecheckout.js. Import the necessary libraries at the top of your stripecheckout.js file. You'll need to import React and use Stripe, use elements from the Stripe library. Create a functional component named Stripe Checkout. Inside this component, set up your state to manage the payment status. Add the function to handle the checkout process. Within this function, you will make an API call to your backend to create a session. Use the fetch API to call your backend endpoint, which should return a session ID. Once you receive the session ID, use the Stripe library to redirect to the checkout page. In your JSX return statement, add a button that will trigger the checkout function when clicked. You can style the button to align with your application design. Next, move to setting up your backend. You'll need to create a new server to handle the Stripe requests. In your main project directory, create another folder called Server. Inside the server folder, run npm init to create a package.json file. Then install the required dependencies, npm install express Stripe Core's body parser. Create a file named server.js in the server folder. Inside server.js, import the necessary modules including Express, Stripe, and Body Parser. Set up your Express server and configure it to use Body Parser and Cores. Instantiate your Stripe instance using your secret key, which you can find in your Create a post endpoint to handle checkout session creation. When this endpoint is hit, create a new checkout session using stripe.checkout.sessions.create. Make sure to define the line items and the mode for the session. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.